Fuck going on, y'all? About to go meet up with Steph and Julio. Julio's got the red Supra. Steph got the black one. Also the cameraman, obviously. Well, not obviously, because you don't know. But about to go to the car wash now. Clean the cars, and then we're gonna get some Instagram reels and some TikTok videos to post. Yeah. So we're at the first car wash, right? Look at this line, bro. Look at this line. It's ridiculous. There's more people coming and everything. We're gonna go to a different car wash now. Cause this one's way too packed. And then, yeah, cause we would be waiting like 30 minutes, which is ridiculous. And there's still more cars coming, so. See, this one's nowhere near as bad. We'll have to wait for one other car. They're already going in. It's a cool little cruise though. I'd just be so scared of cops. Got Steph out. Oh shit, my camera getting wet. Oh. up what's in there though. Holy shit. Damn. There he is. Holy fuck, dude. Oh my god!
I missed the flame, I think.
For real?
Did you get it?
I think so. I think I did.
Oh my god, I missed.
Oh my. Some random dudes behind us. Got a little wobbly.
Because I didn't know I'd still spin in third.
Bro, you got a little wobbly. I was like, damn.
No. So I was like, let me do like a little dig, right? So I hit first, I hit second, and when I hit second, third spun towards you.
Damn.
So I was like, oh fuck, let me let off a little bit. But yeah, that shit got me. I haven't done a dig in a minute, especially not with the Cali. Thanks for moving out of the way for the AMG.
That's good. You said thanks for moving out the way for the AMG.
Well, I think that's even, right? Is that even or no?
Yeah, I think it's even.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's even. Yo said thanks for moving out the way for the AMG. Like, Come on now. Alright, so they just headed out. I'm about to go back home. We got some cool clips. We got some cool reels that we're gonna make. Got some flybys finally. It's cold as shit. My hands are freezing. And yeah, that just about wraps it up. So